Introduce features interest for YSMJ Cordless Pressure Washer, 24-volt high-pressure handheld cleaner, 5-in-1 adjustable nozzle. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose YSMJ Cordless Pressure Washer? Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The portable pressure washer is suitable for all kinds of car, motorcycle and bicycle cleaning and maintenance, which can easily irrigate the garden and clean the roof, boat, floors, swimming pools, windows, doors. Handheld pressure washer adopts intelligent induction frequency conversion, pure copper core motor, longer service life, 500-watt high power, faster, stronger and more powerful water output. Max 435 psi working pressure with max 0.5 MPa water intake pressure. The water can be pressed to a distance of 13 to 16 feet within 8 seconds and the flow rate is 5.5 liter per minute. Upgrade thickening explosion-proof steel wire flexible pipe. It does not harden in winter, and it is anti-breaking in summer, with long service life and soft touch. The stainless steel fine filter impurities, particles, waste leaves, sludge in the water. Work can be done anywhere. Our cordless high-pressure cleaner is an assembled product, wireless, easy to assemble, disassemble, and carry. Lightweight, cordless and unrestricted, with cordless rechargeable design, it is not limited by the power supply, and it can be easily carried and used outdoors. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.